Welcome to the beautiful and historic Dundas in the Hamilton region, a place known for the Royal Botanical Gardens, beautiful hiking trails, and McMaster University students looking to sleep off their weekend decisions. And right here at 3 Ancaster Street East, we find this. It is, as you can see, absolutely massive. It has a rich history and was originally built by a sea captain many years ago. It stands as a true landmark in the neighborhood, boasting an incredible presence and character that you simply do not find in modern subdivisions. Now we have to be honest with each other here. This place does need work. It's a substantial project, and I'm just not willing to sugarcoat with words like vintage charm and move-in ready. If you buy this place, you will certainly be getting to know a few local tradespeople, and your weekends will be booked for the foreseeable future. But let's not get carried away. It's not falling down. The bones here are spectacular, the structure is grand, and the heavy lifting is well worth the effort because the foundation of what is already here is excellent.
As I sail, oh, my name is Captain Kidd. As I sail, my name is Captain Kidd, and God's laws I did forbid, and most wickedly I did as I sail. I was sick at night and death, and I bowed at every breath, all to walk in wisdom's path as I sailed. But my repentance lasted not, my vows I soon forgot. Oh, damn me.
And step outside and you get this. It is a proper park, and these mature trees have been standing here since Queen Victoria was checking her emails. And here's where the story gets interesting for the mathematically minded among you. Because the old sea captain clearly liked his privacy, or perhaps he just wanted space for a massive crew, the house is packed with multiple kitchens and multiple living spaces. With the right city approvals and doing everything strictly legally, this place has the potential to become a spectacular multiplex dwelling. Remember, we're just a stone's throw from the university. This is a highly desirable area for students. If you execute this correctly, you're not just buying a house, you're buying a cash flow machine. It could turn into an absolute moneymaker. So if you've got the vision, ambition, or desire to create something truly special, 3 Ancaster Street East is waiting for you. Now let's go see if we can turn this beautiful old monster into a money-making machine. How hard can it be?
As I sail.